Rimac Automobili is a Croatian car manufacturer headquartered in Sveta Nedelja, Croatia, that develops and produces electric sports cars, drivetrains and battery systems. The company was founded in 2009 by Mate Rimac. Rimac Automobili's first model, the Concept 1, was the world's fastest production electric vehicle. While manufacturing and marketing high-performance vehicles under its own brand, Rimac also develops and produces battery packs, drivetrain systems, and vehicles for other companies. The Applus IDIADA Volar-E is an example of a product developed for another company. During the 88th Geneva International Motor Show in March 2018, the company unveiled its second model, the C2. The groundwork for the company was laid in 2007 as a hobby garage activity of Mate Rimac. Working on his own, he converted his BMW 3 Series to incorporate an electric powertrain and subsequently gained attention from the press and investors. A significant part of the early financing came from angel investors and the sale of proprietary patents. Rimac Automobili was founded in 2009 in Sveta Nedelja, near Zagreb, Croatia, where suitable facilities were rented. When he was 19 years old, Mate Rimac began converting an EM3 which served as his first test mule. "I own an old BMW E30 which I used for drift and circuit races." Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.